Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a form in Apollo.io. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel, open Apollo.io, log into your account, go to the left panel and locate the Forms link. So let's get back on top. And here it is guys, you'll find the Import tab. Under that you'll find the Forms tab and click on Forms. And now we'll be asked to create a form. Just click on Create Form button here. So name your form, for example, Form 1. And here just you can add your website for the form or visitor for your form. So this is the website link to add here. And click on Next. Let's add a website here, and here I already added my website. Click on Next Setup, so this is where you want to configure your phone settings. So when a visitor enters the website, add a field, for example, here, it is already added. You can add another field, for example, Name and Map to Upload field. For example, here choose Name and you can add field here, so HTML, define this name also, and click on Add Field. Add the name field for your form. So currently you have two fields in our form, and click on Next Installation, and here it is the custom bit to add your form to your website. Just copy this code, Website HTML Tag Manager, add the code snippet in the head tag on your website, click on Save. And this is it guys. This is how to add form and configure it in Apple.io to your website. If you find this video helpful and easy, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.